Hi, welcome to Absolute ERP. This is our full ERP DFD series. In today's video, we will show you flow of purchase and procurement. First is material requisition, sent by the production to the store on the basis of bill of material automatically. If material available in the store, so it will be issue. If material not available in the store, in that case, store person will create a purchase indent requisition, and it will be sent to purchase department. By using our software, you can add approvals on your purchase requisitions. It's an optional feature, and all the approvals allowed by head of department. Conclusively, purchase order, it will be raised on the basis of purchase requisition. Generally, three types of purchase order. First is open purchase order. In this, rate will be fixed with the vendor, supplier, and quantity of material will be considered as per schedule. And in open purchase order, schedule will be divided as day-wise, weekly, monthly. Second is fixed purchase order. In it, purchase order is being used apart from the rate and quantity of the fixed items. And finally, general purchase order. This purchase order is used for the general items. In today's video, we showed you flow of purchase and procurement. If you want to know more about Absolute ERP, please see our other videos. Thanks for watching.